golden hour, almost the golden hour out here. I'm out by Miss Ducky Sunshine, and she's looking good. She hasn't gone on the road yet. We're waiting for the pandemic to ease up a little bit. But what you just got to see was part of me preparing some raised beds. So this episode is Panic Planting 2, where I managed to get some lumber. Not too terribly difficult to get it with pretty low contact. I got it in a drive-through lumber kind of situation. So I've got some 2 by 12 by 8 foot long, and I basically measured and cut each of them in half. And then on one of the 2 halves, I pre-drilled 5 holes on each end. So I'm going to take a total of 2 of these 2 by 12 by 8s, cut them both in half, and make smaller 4 by 4 beds. So I had 10 of them to cut in half, and I have made enough 4 foot 2 by 12s with some pre-drilled and some not for 5 raised beds in the front. So Panic Planting Part 2, the raised beds. Hi, sweetie. You want inside, Plucky? Is it time for some shade? You want some shade? It's been a few days and I've rested, done some other chores around the house, did a little transplanting in the basement, got some of my little tomato seedlings transplanted up into larger cups, got the little greenhouse set up, and today I went ahead and I wrapped up Panic Planting 2. There are 5 beds that I installed in the front of the house, and today I went ahead and put the seeds and little seedlings, the little plants, in the boxes. Let me show you what we got. All right, here's a look at the 5 new boxes. These are 4x4 beds. So they came together very well, and I put some of the compost topsoil mix in them, and I've gone ahead and planted them. In the far back left, I've planted beets. Far back right, peas. Front left, I had some yellow onions that I started. Front right, I have some white onions that I started. And in the front middle, I started some carrots. I hope you've enjoyed Panic Planting 2, a 2-part series on panic planting. The rest of this season, the planting should be a little more intentional, hopefully a little bit better planned, to get a little extra planting space in our little 0.08 acres. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this story, go ahead and click like and subscribe, and you'll get hopefully alerted to all of our future videos as they come out. Take care, siblings.